aprangsi pherangke koto ya atum phan chorolo nilitum nanga chofa teng pen ke bang pot bini nilitum kalbulchar ya song longkaw ji aro hin pen enang ke amai ke thapona alam theke lapu henlo kidam tang lang pen kafera long BJP atum vote kerek amai along inut lo thanbang Mr.Aynul Haque Assistant Professor of Education College longkaw ji along li openly pen rapchari along plam along kidun ke chokche ko sin tu alang li phan pim rem lo athe alang li nut wareng klembom la pen inut thanbang asai si klembom jong si alang li rapchari asai long klemdun pulote alang li aprangsi alang li atpu chonang ji lasi nilitum kase longkaw ji head branch ahin pen alang li phan pin rem pollo lasi nilitum kase longkaw ji aji arohin pen ke chuning rilo man ke do Deputy Professor of Karbiang long alang liphan arona teng pen ing sai wek ko sining thelo jongsi alang liphan ing sai pon thek thek protein litum karbuchar song ahin pen ing tangrak pen kaji song deng pon ang kokpo kaldom.
First of all, I would like to thank all the media brothers for coming here at our request. Today, we, the Karbi Students Association, Polongkomaji Head Branch, held a press conference at our own office regarding the violation of Rule 5 Sub 1 by Mr.Aynul Haque, the Assistant Professor of Education College. He was openly participate in politics during the BJP vote campaign rally at Langfer constituency. It is not the duty, being the government employee or being assistant professor of Education College. If he is interested, then first of all, he should resign from his post. In this regard, we, the Karbi Student Association, Polongkomaji Head Branch, would like to appeal the higher authority to look into this matter and to take strict action. If the higher authority did not take any strict action, then we, the Karbi Student Association, Polongkomaji Head Branch, will go to another step. Thank you.
Action of por labang so
Bang so aputhak pelote arona teng pen lake isi rat charia long ke claim dunji pelotang te boreng awar sai pen aphangsi chi onangji la pen arona teng pelotang te alang le boreng claim bom ahut pelotang te la puson rat charia along klam along ke dodun chokche pusi nilitum jong ponlo la pen alang liphan ason son jongsi non nilitum jong dunde pudunde pelote kewang jilang por ahut anut ka phlek aphan nilitum ki pudunji aja kongta avidet po la se alang liphan la puson alang le inut assistant professor hala bang swar ni ala so mai long sitame initum kaching hon education em sorry chart talk bisitame alang le sitame dolo ase alang li kopia pose hala dak lang dunde det ma mate alang li tong ke phalo ma laben alang li sitame arlo pen politics along chirap dun doloma po alang li Mr.Aynul Haque assistant professor alang li phans tame arjupon nang kokko laben laso puthak nilitum DC office long tame complaint ki pon back po laben jong si nilitum complaint ki pia teng pen thang step ta deng pon pe pulotang te kiwang jilang ar ni nilitum adak KSA Polongkomaji Head Branch ahin pen akang tuyang deng ka che song pon tame che song pon nang kokko Education College bokolia alang le halabang so are lialong inut boreng claim bom apor ahut halabang so BJP campaign vote campaign amayalong alang li sitame isi BJP zindabad labuson ke hang taramdun lake isi chokchitika sailo puse niltum jongdun lo lakan alang li phan sitame immediately suspension direct nai puse niltum hen pan chuning ridun lo halabang soar ni ala so mai long sitame inutum kaching hon education em Sir Richard tok bisitame alang li sitame dolo. Kasi alang li kopia posi haladak langdun dedet ma. Mate alang li tong ke phalo ma. Lapen alang li sitame arlo pen politics along chirap. Dun dolo ma po alang li Mr.Aynul Haque assistant professor alang li phan sitame arjupon nang kokko. Lapen lasso aputhak nilitum DC office law tame complaint ipon back po lapen Johnson nilitum complaint ki pia teng pen thang estate ta deng pon pe pulo tangte kewang jilang ar ni nilitum ada KSA bolong ko maji head branch ahin pen akang tuyang deng ka je song pon tame je song pon nang kokko